I'm a mobster. You got 50 whole bed, you'll be my sponsor for the night. Them snakes on the plane, me and Kanye condoms. Yeah. I might piece him up and let my partner smoke him. Chuck E. Cheese him up, I piece of him, I roll him. I'm a gangster, I don't damn baby, I poke. Right now, I'm surrounded by some gangsters from Mannoia. I heard I put it in a spot, yes, and she told me. My nigga bugging these niggas, why it's so lonely? I heard my know your niggas not friendly, like no way. But we not friendly either, you know what? Yeah, thumbs up. I don't see more hoes in the golf course, hold on the trunk up. My bitch a tall, blooded hush, nigga, Bronco. And if you catch us down bad, you're not gon' trunk up. You got a body, little nigga, but I can't stop stacking fucking figures.
Yeah. Know you, nigga. Roll a nigga. Shoulders. Fight a nigga. Fight a nigga. Right a nigga. Right a nigga. Fight a nigga. Big smoke some sun. Honey. OC chopper. Feeling with the G, rich nigga. Can't find a bitch. Streets, bitches know that I am Birdman, that's OG.
But really, what is it to do with a hoe where I'm constantly hating on you? Pussy nigga, hoe, they just masturbating on you. Meanwhile, the fucking federal baiting on you. Nigga, tell me what you.
Oh yeah, go time, Thursday. About to slap 7-8, motherfuckers flying easy money. Swole, new shoes, slap, sweeping everybody. Easy money. Oh yeah. Yeah, go time. Yeah. Balls, that's time out. Balls. Alright, now, so probably gonna start with the number 2 ball. Then burn it up with this one, the number 1 ball. And lately, I've been having to use my number 3 ball. So I might have to use this one second. That one don't hook as much. So we was in second place. Now we in 5th. God damn, we got slapped. It's on this way. We're in second place again.
Yeah, when you are.
First victim. What's up, Tracy? How you feeling? 380. How you feeling tonight, though?
Just I'm feeling. I've been born next to the military until all week. So.
Okay. You slapped me last week.
And Mike's cracked too.
See what else you got. Hey, this dude slapped me last week, you know what I mean? I gotta get my get back tonight for the sweep. We on?
Come back to me after practice.
After practice, all right, check. Hey, he's scared, y'all. Got this dude. He in the hole. He got his ass slapped last week. He might be scared this week. You know what I'm talking about? He been on and off. Sometimes he's scared, sometimes he's not. What's up? Oh, what's up, man? You on again tonight?
Why wouldn't I be on?
Because last time, you've been on every time. You've been off a couple times.
Once.
No, it was twice.
It was once.
It was 2 times.
Somebody watch the video.
I can. It was 2 times. It was 1 time that you said I'm still on. It probably was 3 times, matter of fact.
Either way, I'm on.
Oh, so you back on? You know you in the hole.
I'm in the hole. You right. $3. You didn't get that sweep last week. With that 120, whatever you shot last week.
Oh, okay. You want to bring up old stuff, huh?
120, right? 120.
I don't remember that. Dude. You know what I'm talking about? You get your ass slapped tonight. Hey, my nigga pulled up on my old teammate. You know what I'm talking about? Man. Yeah. He back in the house. He about to try to get on my team. You know what I mean?
Oh, yeah.
Hey, Chris, you hurt, man. You can't bowl, so.
Me and Chuck B together, y'all in trouble.
Yeah. This about a third time on the same team. We'll see, though. I got to see my boy gonna sub tonight. If not, bam, he ready. He on
ready.
deck.
Locked and loaded.
He here before you, Jay. Look who else in town. You know what I mean? Look, man.
Hanging in there, boy. You putting on the pounds, huh? Same way that was when I left.
Is you shooting up tonight? What you doing out here, man? You know what I'm talking about?
What's up, tonight?
What do you mean, no sub? If it ain't no subs, we can our ass. What? No, next week position round.
This week.
No, nigga, that's next week. We got a sub too, cause one of our team got hurt.
Eddie said whatever they sent out said.
Man, this dude, man, this dude, man, I'm so sick of this dude, man. He always fucking beat me every week. I think I want to go 100 a game this week. You know what I'm talking about?
$100. $100 a game, my man. This guy can bet for $500 a game. He don't pay. It don't matter.
We go 500 a game.
I'm in him on the game. I'll pay for your truck.
My truck now? For my truck?
I owe more money than the truck is worth.
That might be a good idea. You know what I mean? Put the pink slip up and then slap you and be even. Yeah.
I think next time we can go for price fund. I know.
Price fund?
Your average against my average for price fund. I'm only like 210. Yeah, that's fair, I think, right?
I mean, we'll see. You know what I mean? We'll see about. But this dude right here, what you talking about?
I'm ready to play. I'm ready to take your money too. Art said it's free money.
You don't pay though.
It's free money.
Art said it's free money.
But hey, you wanna put it on your tab when I slap
No
him?
tabs.
I mean, put it on.
You can run your own tab with me. You can run your own tab with me if you want.
Hey man, this dude, I'm gonna come back and check with him. He don't want none of this. I know he don't want none of this. Yeah, right. Look at this nigga right here. He still don't want to bet. It's been 2 years. You know what I'm talking about? What's happening, man?
I can't force you to bet. You scared? Listen, I respect it because you know who to bet. I ain't mad. Hey, you a smart gambler. I ain't mad at that. I ain't mad.
I got.
Ain't none of them. I don't give a fuck. Ain't none of them me.
They all better than you. They what you
But your money don't say that. Oh yeah.
You doing that?
Yeah, your money don't say that. Your money don't say that.
Look, he's scared of me. We used to bet
You can say whatever you want until you got scared.
He the only one
When I was 180, you bet me all day. When I was 180, you bet me all day.
You did get better.
That shit greasy. I ain't mad at it.
We're gonna go 10. Just 10 across the board.
10 across the board. Every game and series. Okay, good. Got him. Locked in. He's scared though. You know what I'm talking about? You see everybody else.
Right.
Hey, I'm scared you ain't gonna be able to feed your children.
Mr. in the hole. What's happening, man? We on this week or what?
Snaps.
We on. You know you in the hole 20 from now.
I just gave you motherfucking 20 Monday, nigga.
I know you got your ass slapped again Monday. Remember, I beat you. We tied. Then I beat you total.
No, you gave me 20 last week.
Man, all that don't matter. What matter is you got your ass slapped Monday.
I don't believe that.
When I beat you, and then we tied. Remember, we tied.
I didn't give you 20.
No, you didn't give me nothing.
I got you. You're even better than this game.
You know I like to come back. Damn, the first two. Tied up in Tyrone. First game, he called me out.
239.
239.
At least he didn't vote on 124. You know,
I'm looking at 213.
I'm trying to get it back with interest. All in the muscle.
It's the only game he gonna win. Okay. One game, that's it.
Show me
Slap.
something.
Shut. Hey, he struck out.
Slap.
You still strike out.
They have to strike out though.
Watch this.
The first step.
first game, man?
258.
258, goddamn sacks.
What'd you shoot?
I'm not saying you.
Exactly.
As a totality.
Exactly. Buy $100.
They don't do it on purpose.
Oh, damn.
What you got?
Look at that, man.
Right over there, dog. Over there. You're looking at the wrong spot.
Oh,
Bring it.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Slap.
What I gotta do?
I went at 200.
Huh?
I only got 200.
Oh shit. All right.
You got me already. He got me the first game.
I still yo.
He got me the first game.
Just give up, bro. Just give
No,
up.
I ain't giving up. I'm gonna win the last game. I'm gonna win the last game. You ain't gonna sweep me, you know what I mean? What you shoot anyway? What you shoot? I beat you.
84, 84. That's in my 8th frame. You're what? If you punch out, is my 8th frame.
Damn, so okay. What you thinking?
There's 23. I got a fucking split in the 10.
Damn. What you shoot the second game?
Better than you, nigga. He shot a 170, I got a 177.
Oh, this is
You know, and then with my 30 pins of handicap, yeah, that shit worked.
Man,
It worked for me.
I'm having a bad day. You talking about a bad day? I shot a fucking 170.
You came out there talking out to the hole. Sound like we about to
We're gonna be even, yeah. We're gonna be even.
pocket today.
We're gonna be even, you know what I'm talking about?
No, we about to be out of pocket today. I got change.
You got shot the second game. My 170 was third in. Oh, shit. 213. You beat me again. God damn.
Make sure he record when you say it. Tell him.
Give me my money.
Oh, your daddy got it. Your daddy got it already.
Oh, hey.
Your daddy got the money. Your daddy got the
We
money.
talking about the sweet.
But
Talk about sweet.
Give me your money.
if I strike out, you gonna have to repent.
You ain't striking out.
Oh yeah, I'm striking out.
You there with open.
Give me your money.
She would've took my money.
You ain't got it. You ain't got it. Don't mess up.
What? Shoot the last game? 222?
Yeah, 222.
The best I can do is 220. He swept me tonight, you know what I mean? Got swept. God damn. He swept me. He swept me. Who else swept me? Somebody else swept me. I slapped him though. He in the hole, Mr. In the hole. Best game, it's my best game. Yeah, donate for the team, man. Donate for the team. Hey, this Master Splitter today, Master Splitter. He done had like 6, 7 splits, you know what I'm talking about? He's sad.
What'd you roll? What'd you roll with our game?
Who, me? Yeah. You still rolled at 196, you know what I mean? What'd you do? Yeah, I got it. I think I got it. I got it.
No, 20.
Yeah, I got you the last game. Yeah.
174.
174. You can't be out here acting like you did something. Yeah, man, take that, man. Take that, man. You still slapping.
It's always fun, bro.
Yeah, it's on again next week, man.
Next week again.
Damn. Came in the bowling. Beautiful, nice day, right? Yeah. Finished bowling. Look at this. It's pouring down. It's pouring down out there. Pouring down. Right, man? See, this is thunder. Thunder.